Hey, how's everybody doing today? So this morning, what I'm gonna do, I had a pretty good idea. I was thinking of doing cleaning up my headlights with Plastix, but then I was at the dollar store, so I got me some cheap toothpaste. Got some cheap toothpaste here, so I'm gonna be doing a comparison video today of the toothpaste versus Plastix on the headlights. We're gonna be cleaning up some oxidation today. We're gonna be fighting that. We're gonna be knocking it out. We're gonna be kicking its ass. So look how badly oxidized they are. This is before. You can see they're about the same. So one will have the Plastix and the other will have the toothpaste. It's probably too much, but here we go. Should be enough for the whole headlight. Just gonna rub this in here. So I'm just letting that dry real quick while it dries off and kind of comes to a haze. I'm gonna wipe it off with the new clean towel here, brand new towel. So we'll see how it goes, guys. This is the Plastix on this headlight, and I'm going to be using the toothpaste on this headlight. So as you can see, the Plastix works really good. Took off a lot of the yellowing, a lot of the oxidation. So I would say if you don't have heavy oxidation and your headlights aren't that bad, Plastix will work pretty good. I could still see some yellowing on there, but it's actually really good. Came out pretty good, not too bad. So on to the next headlight with the toothpaste. Z for Zoltan. So I'm just gonna rub this in. Should have probably got it with some water. Yeah, I should have definitely got some water. That would have probably helped a little bit. Hey, if it doesn't work, at least my headlight will smell good. It smells all minty right now. Alright, so we got it all pretty much evenly applied. I'm just gonna let that sit up for a little bit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so it's came to kind of it kind of dried a little bit. I've let it dry for a good few minutes. So let's see. I'm gonna start removing this. Oh, definitely not as easy to remove as the Plastix. I may have to wet the towel. So this is already your first hiccup here. So look what it's doing. That tells me it's going to be a pain in the ass to remove. Let me go wet my towel real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so I wet my towel. Made it a lot easier to remove. Yeah. Wow. That actually, I think, removed more oxidation than the Plastix. Look at that one. And then look at this one. You could still see the yellow on that one. This one looks a lot clearer. Wow, this is not the results I was expecting. I was thinking Plastix was going to work better. So, yeah, guys, give it a try. Definitely worth it. $2 I used. $1 for the toothpaste, $1 for like 5 toothbrushes at the dollar store. Alright guys, so that's probably going to be it for this quick little video. I just kind of wanted to do the comparison of the two, of the Plastix versus the toothpaste on the headlights. And as you can see, on my headlights, I think the toothpaste actually worked out better. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later guys.